Good afternoon everyone. Next is hire purchase trading houses. Hire purchase trading houses. So what do you mean by the hire? The goods for hire, house for hire. So what do you mean by the hire? Hire means providing the facility of enjoying the services of goods. Providing the facility of enjoying the services of goods. Services of goods is known as the hire. As it. So our hire purchasing types of businesses or trading houses, what they are doing? They are selling the costly goods to their customer in an installment. In an installment. But what do you mean by the installment? Whatever the total price will come for the particular goods, customer they can purchase the goods by paying the small amount, and in small amount while purchasing the goods, and by paying the small amount they can purchase the goods, they can enjoy the services of those goods, but the balance amount they can purchase, or customer can pay balance amount as and the installment, it is monthly, half yearly or yearly. Whatever the agreement will done between the buyer and or customer and the seller, as per the agreement the customer they can pay the amount or value of goods they want to purchase or they purchase. But one thing is that the customer they cannot possess the ownership of those goods till not paid the amount, total amount to the seller. Customer they are not paid the total amount to the customer, they cannot get the ownership for those goods. That means seller they can sold the goods, they can give the ownership of the goods to the customer when they received or when the seller received the total amount of goods from customer to seller. Then and then only customer gives the possession of ownership of those goods to the customer. So this is the hire purchasing. Is it? Now advantages of hire purchasing. The person who cannot afford the costly goods, they can purchase the costly goods and they can benefit it with the services what they want. If anyone want a 4-wheeler, 2-wheeler, it is too much beneficial for the person. No, that's why they can enjoy the services of costly goods. Is it? For example, TV, furniture, house, they can purchase on an installment. That means costly goods the person can purchase on an installment who cannot afford to purchase the goods. Next is the small scale or medium scale businessman. Small scale or medium scale businessman, they can purchase costly machineries in an installment. They can start their business and can earn the profit. So this is just because of this happens because of the hire purchase trading houses. Increase in the costly goods. There is an increase in the sale of costly goods. Is it? Such a facility hire purchasing trading houses they are offering. That's why there is an increase in the sale of costly goods. Then rich people, they can afford to purchase the goods by paying the cash at a time. But such a people also, or the person who can afford paying the cash, they are also purchasing the goods and an installment. Why? They are more interested to invest the other capital in other means, other ways where they can earn more profit. So it is advantageous. So hire purchase trading houses having such advantages. Costly goods anyone can purchase and can benefit it with the services. Small scale and medium scale businessmen, they can purchase the costly machineries and run their business and can earn the profit. There is an increase in the sale of costly goods because of the hire purchasing facility. Then the person who can afford paying or purchasing the goods in cash, they are also purchasing the goods in an installment and investing their capital in the other means. You can earn the more profit. Is it? Disadvantages. Now disadvantages of hire purchasing. The person who cannot afford to purchase the goods, but they are tempting, they are getting stimulated to purchase the goods. The person they cannot afford purchasing or they are not in that much necessary, it is not emergency, or it is not that much important the person should purchase the, but it is not essential or necessity of the person to purchase the goods, but because of that also, in spite of that also, the customer, they are tempting or inducing to purchase the goods because there is a higher purchasing facilities. That's it. Next is required large capital. To start such a type of business, it required large capital, and cost of goods is more. In this type of business, what happened? Cost of goods is more as compared to its market value. That's it. If the one four-wheeler car is costing 10 lakh rupees, but if you purchase it on the installment, it may cost 11 lakh. That means the market price of goods is less, but if the customer purchases the goods on an installment, there is an increase in the cost of goods.